Let's do this quick, interesting question together. A bulb is connected to a 12-volt supply and carries a current of 2 amp for 5 minutes. The electrical energy produced is absorbed by a 0.5 kilogram of water. Calculate the change in the temperature of the water. Specific capacity of water is 4,200 joules per kilogram per Celsius. Okay, so this is a very interesting question. Now, first and foremost, you need to know that heat energy is equals to mass times specific capacity times change in what? Temperature. But then, whenever electricity is involved, you also have to bring electrical energy. So electrical energy is current times voltage times time. Electrical energy is also current square times resistance times time. And electrical energy is also equals to voltage square times time divided by what? Resistance. So any of these will work based on the data that is provided. Now, if we have 12 volts, that means we're talking about voltage is equal to 12 volts. Then we have a current, we have I, which is equal to 2 ampere. And we have time, that's T. Time is 5 minutes. Remember, we have to convert these minutes to what? Seconds. So 5 times 60, that gives us 300 what? Seconds. Okay, so look at this value very well. Which formula do you think we should use here? So you discover that the one that we should use is this very one, right? IVT. Okay, so if we are using the IVT, so we'll substitute the value of H by what? IVT. Hence, our new formula that we're going to use for this calculation will now be IVT is equals to MC change in what? Theta. Now, what are we asked to look for? We are asked to look for change in theta, but they gave us the specific capacity of water to be 4,200, right? And then they gave us the mass. The mass they gave us to be what? 0.5 kilogram. So we will just have to substitute it into this value and then we'll find change in theta. So in this case, why not make change in theta the subject of the formula? And then you're going to be having what? IVT dividing what by what? MC, right? Okay, so what is our I? Our I is 2, our V is 12, our T is 300. Dividing this value by what? Mass is 0.5 times specific capacity of water is 4,200. Okay, so we have changed in theta to be equal to, so let's use our calculator and multiply this value as fast as we can. So here, we're going to be having 2 times 12 times 4,200. That gives us 1,0,100,800. All we divide this by that value, 0.5 times 4,200. That will give us half of the value, 2,100. Then let's divide 1,0,0,800 divided by 2,100. That will give us what? 48. So we have 48 degrees centigrade. So this is our change in what? Temperature, 48 degrees centigrade. Okay, so that is it about this question. Have a nice day.